Kids, we are going on a trip!
Hooray!
Today we're going to learn aeroplane safety rules with Penny and Pit.
I'm gonna listen to my music for the whole flight!
Hello, dear passengers. Please listen to the safety rules. Rule 1! Pit, you need to listen to the safety rules.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Please fasten your seatbelts. Huh?
Oh!
Wow! Rule 2!
Oh, Penny, you can't move right now. Look at this sign. You must stay in your seat when it's on.
Oh, okay.
Good. Yes! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oops, I'm sorry.
Rule 3! You can't run in the airplane. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Huh? Huh? What? Rule 4! Oh! Kids, be quiet.
Oops.
We're sorry. There we go. Oh, bye! Be careful going down the ladder. Bye-bye. See you soon. Hi, everyone. Let's learn how to stay safe while playing at home. Children, this is an officer. Today, he will teach you safety rules.
This stranger in the picture wants to break into your house.
Oh!
Ah. Hey. Ha.
Huh?
Ah. Ha. Ah. Hey, kids, I have a bunch of lollipops for you.
Don't trust strangers who want to give you something.
Rule 1.
What should you do?
Let's think together. What do you think kids should be doing? Okay, let's see what is the right answer.
We should talk to a stranger through the door. We should open the door and attack him.
We need to call the police.
Hey, what?
Rule 2.
Call 911 immediately if an intruder breaks into your house. Oh, is someone trying to break into your house? I'll be right there. Don't open the door to strangers. You need to call the police immediately.
Thank you, officer. Now we know how to deal with intruders. Oh. Bye-bye. See you soon. How do you think? Is it healthy or not? Healthy? Unhealthy? Unhealthy? These snacks are unhealthy. Good night, kids.
Good night, Mommy.
Oh no, Pete! Your tummy is gonna hurt. Supermom is here to save the baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
Pit, don't eat unhealthy snacks.
Okay.
Oh. Bye-bye. See you soon.